Good morning. I'm waking up right now, and that's my view. Far, right? Really far. And I'm having a visit. Good morning. So, if you want to learn how to build a container shipping home, tiny home, in paradise, in Caribbean, yourself, do yourself, subscribe to the channel, click on the playlist, comment and like, and watch the videos. You're gonna love it. Right, Peacock? Oh, by the way, guys, it's Peacock, but since they're my friends, I call them Peacockos. Subscribe. So today is an important moment. I have the approval for WAPA electricity, and I have the deed, so we're gonna connect electricity, and I am here at WAPA. And we're gonna have real electricity, not only solar. I'm kind of okay with solar, but I need a constant source of energy to work, to have the pumps working. So in St. Croix, WAPA takes care of the electricity, and we're gonna connect the whole thing. It will be amazing. I'm super excited. It's nice. It's a really beautiful building and organized, and it's gonna be amazing. So crossing my fingers, let's electrify and shock the beach. That's a joke, by the way. But anyways, subscribe, learn how to do your shipping container home, tiny home in the Caribbean or anywhere. Subscribe, follow up.